Modo offers a variety of tools that enable you to add additional geometry and manipulate and shape your mesh items. Two common tools that appear the same on the surface are the Polygon Bevel and Polygon Extrude tools. In this video, I'd like to share some of the differences of Polygon Bevel and Polygon Extrude to help you better understand each tool, and to help you choose which one is best to use in future modeling sessions. I'll start by using Polygon Extrude on this single quad polygon to give it thickness. By default, this will create a closed volume. I can add additional segments to the newly created polygons using the sides attribute, and I can also remove the original polygon by changing the mode to shift. Using the Polygon Bevel tool on a similar quad polygon appears to create the same results. You'll notice right away that there are many more options to work with compared to Polygon Extrude, and the tool handles are different. If we look at the bottom of the mesh, we'll see it's not a closed volume by default. If we want to mimic the default results of the Extrude tool, we can enable the Thicken Polygon attribute. We can also use the Segments attribute to increase the number of segments similar to the side setting of the Polygon Extrude tool. The blue handle enables us to shift the selected geometry away from its original location, and the red handle allows us to inset the selection, something not available with the Polygon Extrude tool. Let's look at another useful option that the Polygon Bevel tool affords us. I'll subdivide the geometry a couple times using the subdivide command hotkey Shift-D to create more geometry to work with. If I select multiple faces and extrude them, the contiguous selection is treated as a single polygon. By default, the Bevel tool will have the same result. But if I disable the Group Polygons attribute, each polygon is inset independently. There are other options available with the Bevel tool that you'll want to experiment with, but this should give you a rough idea of the differences between these two common tools. I find that I rarely use the Polygon Extrude tool since I can match the result using Polygon Bevel. Spend some time working with both so you can decide which tool to use for any given task that arises during your next modeling session.